Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super momshies, today we're going to create something new, which we call it chocolate cosmos flower. Have you ever heard this kind of flower? So for me, I want you to know this type of flowers. So if you are ready, we're going to start right now. Super Momshies, this is the main material that we need to use. You can use any other type of materials if you have the idea about this type of flower. But for me, I want to create this egg tray as my chocolate cosmos flower. So we're going to cut this one. Okay. So you will not damage your table. At least if you use some cutting board to protect your table. So, see, I cut it like this. Now we're going to shape it into a petal. So same. This one, I take this as the measurement. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So the other one, we're going to cut in different way. So it will be like this, and the others we need also like that, cuts. We need also this type of plastic and we're going to cut it. So it's already done. So we're going to make it like this. You can use tissue if you want, but I use this non-woven cloth. Okay, so we're going to attach this. Now we wrap it already with like tissue, so we're going to wrap with plastic. If you don't have floral tape, then you can use the plastic. Okay, Super Momshies. This is now how it looks like my chocolate cosmos flower out of egg tray. Alright, Super Momshies. So this is now my chocolate cosmos flowers out of egg tray. So if you have any other ideas, please share with me. You can use, as I've said, any materials like crepe papers, cloth, plastics, whatever available that you have inside your home. So before we will end up this video, I would like, of course, to shout out to everybody, to subscribers and non-subscribers and silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, baboosh!